Arguments for dividend irrelevance. Some studies suggest that large dividend changes affect stock price behavior. argued, however, that these effects are the result of the information conveyed by these dividends changes, not to the dividend itself. Furthermore, argue for the existence of a of a clientele effect. Investors preferring dividends will purchase high dividend stocks, while those preferring capital gains will purchase low dividend paying stocks. In summary, dividend irrelevance proportionates argue that all else being equal, an investor's required return and therefore the value of the firm is unaffected by dividend policy because 1. The firm's value is determined solely by earning power and risk of asset investment. Number 2. If dividends do affect value, they do so because of information content, which signals management further expectations. A clientele effect exists that causes stakeholders to receive the level of dividends they expect. Contrary to dividend irrelevance proponents, Gordon and Liner suggested stakeholders prefer current dividends and that a positive relationship exists between dividends and market value. Fundamental to this theory is the bird in the hand argument, which suggests that investors are generally risk adverse and attach less risk to current as opposed to future dividends or capital gains. Because current dividends are less risky, investors will lower their required return, thus boosting stock prices.